Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a bit of BODMAS, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So, working through our question over here, I've written down BODMAS to the right-hand side, and I've labeled it in different colors, so we're able to mark what we need to do. Starting off with brackets, so the B over here indicates brackets, and we can see that there is a pair of brackets within this equation, or within this expression. But the problem is these are not the brackets we're looking for. Those brackets just let us know that this minus 4 is being multiplied by this minus 3. So in this example, there aren't any brackets for us to worry about. Moving on to the O is of, and again, we can see there isn't any of in this example. The E stands for exponents, and again, there are no exponents within this example. And then we move on to D, which is for divide. And now we can see there is something for us to do. So we can see that this 6 is being divided by the 2. So we should start there according to BODMAS. So let's do that. So we've got 3. Now we've got plus 6 over 2. So 6 divided by 2 is going to give us 3. And then we've got minus 4 times minus 3. Right, so that was a good job. And we have dealt with our division. Moving on to the M. So M is for multiplication. Again, we can see there's some multiplication. And we see that it's a minus 4 being multiplied by a minus 3. What is very important is that you realize that this minus belongs to this 4. Very, very important. Right, so let's execute that. So we move on to the next step. It's going to be 3 plus 3. And we've got minus 4 times minus 3. So a minus and a minus give us a plus. 4 times 3 gives us 12. Right, and that means we have dealt with our multiplication. We move on to the very last thing, which is addition. And we can see that all we've got left is addition, which means we can work from left to right. So let's do that. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 12 is 18. And that gives you the answer to this particular question. Very good job. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send it to us and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.